Great to be here this morning. This is our team Magnificent HITACHI, which is the third year this team is being entered into the Lipton Cup, which is a really privilege for most of these children. Most of the crew that are sailing sailed for the first time about 3 years ago, which was made possible by HITACHI. And today they have a chance of sailing back into their communities. So they are hosting 4 children from 2 separate primary schools, and giving them an advantage and an opportunity to be exposed to the Lipton Cup and the training that is involved with an event like this, and hopefully inspire them to get on the team next year and get involved in sailing.